Go ahead.
Hey, Dylan.
Uh-huh. What size did I get?
Lord.
Yeah. Don't them look thick?
Yep.
They're thicker than what I got on.
Thank you.
Because the ones I got you that you have on were thin.
Lots of pajamas.
But that's what you love.
I know.
What could it be? What could it be?
More pajamas?
It could be. They're orthopedic or something. They mold to your feet. They had another direction thing on it, but not on your size that I picked out. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.